path in wind blades and fatal beauty, and I was watching your video in reference to strange sounds, and you live in Tennessee. Well, I live in Puerto Rico. I'm an interpreter and a photographer, and when the sounds were heard here in Puerto Rico, it was like an internal blender. That's how I can best describe it. Inside me, like trembling, and made me sick to my stomach, dizzy. And anywho, I am interested to hear more about your theories. I've been really freaked out about the recent unknown activities that are going on everywhere, and the YouTube videos, and I agree a lot of them are hoax. So you seem pretty straightforward, but it bothers me that I've been getting really physically ill, especially before earthquakes. It's a vibration that the shifting of the earth plates make, and for some reason I feel it, and it makes me so sick. And that specific day, the sounds were heard here in PR. I got really sick, so that bothers me. But it's not uncommon. Strange enough, a lot of people experience that. Whether or not it's the government experimenting on sound waves or some kind of secret weapon for war or whatever, and they don't give a flying, if we get sick or not, or alien invasion, or God coming, Armageddon. I believe in God, I've read the Bible, I studied theology, I know about the 7 trumpets, the angels sent, and so forth. No one knows the exact time spaced in between each trumpet, and no one knows when it's going to happen. Apparently, this is the first time it's been heard all over the world at the same, similar sound, and same day, same time, just different time zones. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, so I'd be interested in hearing more of your theories, and what do you think about the physical illness thing? Could it be a government experiment, aliens, our creator coming for us? How about the Anunnaki, the Sumerian gods that's in the Bible as well? Apparently, I've been reading a lot of things, losing a lot of sleep since all this activity has been going on. It's 12:44 a.m. in Puerto Rico, and I probably won't get to sleep till 3 a.m. 4. I've always had trouble sleeping. I suffer from insomnia, but I have to tell you, it's been a lot worse since all this has been going on. So get back to me. If you want to hit me up on Facebook, or I'm all connected, so it's just nice to hear some of the brains for a change out there on YouTube. So hear from you soon, talk to you soon, and hopefully it's not the end, and there'll be more smart people like you out there, trying to make sense of it all. So, peace, love, and take care. Oh, P.S. I like your look. Pretty cool. I like the whole hoodie, those earrings thingies you have. Kind of look like elephant. What do you call those things? Ivory thingies. Sorry, I haven't slept. Okay. Ciao.